right, sweet. Now let's go over the second part of the assignment for this week. Again, this is all I have for you this week, so you finish this document up, you're done with science for this week. Alright, here's the deal. For the rest of this video, folks, I'm going to go over the directions for this next assignment, or this next part of the assignment, and then it's going to cut me off, because I can only do like 6-minute videos at a time. I know, it's lame. Once it cuts me off, there'll be another video, and I'm actually going to read the article that the questions are about. Alright, so next, please read the article in the red folder titled Week 2 Sustainable Business Project and answer the questions on the next page. The answers can be found in bolded words in the article. If you have difficulty reading the article, please email me. I legitimately bold the words that are important in this article for you, because I know the vocabulary is a little, it's a little tough, so I've bolded all the important stuff. Alright, it looks like this video is going to cut out in like a few seconds here, so I'm going to leave it here, and then click on video 3. Adios, guys. I will see you in a few seconds, hopefully.